and thanks for joining me today. I'm Chanel and Charlie is somewhere, I don't know where he is. I'm sure he'll be up once he hears me talking. So you're probably curious about the title of this video. It is Craft Your Day Away, C&C, which is Charlie and Chanel and Charlie, support network, your support network. Obviously we all know what's going on in the world right now, so this is a serious video and a serious message to you all. Firstly, I hope that you are all well, keeping safe, have everything that you need at the moment, and that you have people to help you if you are at home by yourself. Obviously everywhere in the world is going through this crisis differently, in different levels or in different phases. Yesterday our Prime Minister announced some different guidelines, and we've kind of moved to the next phase, which some of you are already going through and have been going through for a while. So you know, we're all aware of what's going on now. You know, our Prime Minister had said that, you know, obviously if you have symptoms, you are to self-isolate for 14 days, and the rest of the family, etc., which is what, you know, most of us have been doing in the last week or so anyway. But he also, oh, here's Charles, he also brought in a guideline for the elderly, for vulnerable people, for high risk people that have underlying health conditions. Come on then. Now unfortunately I fit into that guideline. No, Charles, let me just take you off, come and sit on my knee. Because I have an illness which affects my immune system, he is suggesting this guideline of a 12-week period of isolation. And even if I wasn't ill, Charmin, my husband, has rheumatoid arthritis, and the medication that he's on means that his immune system is dangerously low. So I couldn't afford to get it and pass it on to him either. So, you know, we're both having to listen to the Prime Minister's advice and to try and, you know, control this virus in the best way that the scientists and the doctors and everyone know about it. Now, I know I'm not the only person who's going through this. I know there are so many of us, so many of you at home that, you know, don't even have the support network that I do. You know, I'm lucky in the way that, you know, I do have people to talk to. You know, I have my daughter, I have my grandkids, I have my husband, so I'm not on my own. Yes, it is going to be so hard. I, you know, can't even, sorry. Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. I promised myself I wouldn't do this. It's going to be so hard, you know, not seeing my daughter and my grandkids, only being able to video chat with them. And I know that there's people abroad or away from their family that they can't even come and visit, that are in the same boat. You know, I see my daughter almost every day and my grandkids several times a week. Normally I see one or more every day. Then the blood that runs through my veins. But I know that if I was to get this virus, and God forbid I didn't make it, I'd be no good to my grandkids and my daughter anyway. So Charles, not now, honey. So I have to listen to their advice. And also I don't want to lose my husband, you know, either. So if it means 12 weeks or more in isolation, then that's what we're going to have to do. And we have to, you know, live in hope that we can all beat this. So I want to be your support network, and I know from how you've all helped me through the last couple of years, you're already my support network. You know, I can't go out and volunteer and help people physically, because I can't. So I sat there last night and I thought, oh my gosh, what can I do? So through my channel, I'd like to be a support network for those of you, all of you in fact, that need it. If you're stuck at home and you don't have anybody, and it's a very lonely time, it's going to be a very lonely and a very scary time for, you know, all of us. It is. So through my crafting, doing crafts, finding things for us to fill the day, you know, apart from being a housewife, what else do I have to do now? You know, be a mum to my cats. So I have this craft room. Some people say that I'm quite funny, so I might be able to make you laugh. Charlie is a real hoot, and he's a little entertainer, so he can help. You know, we can find things for him to do. I can find quizzes, and we'll find some fun things to do. And I promise you, I will try and do a video a day at least, even if it means me getting up in the morning and you seeing me with wild hair, no makeup, in my pajamas. So be it. I know you love me as I love you guys. So I'm going to find some fun things for us to do, like we used to do the quizzes. Let's get to know each other. Let's share some of the experiences. If you need someone to talk to, you can email me. If you have WhatsApp, I'll chat to you through WhatsApp. You know, let's find a way to support each other, okay? We have to have hope through this very difficult time, and we're only in the UK, we're in the very early sort of stages of it, and I know that we have got so much to go through yet, as we all do, and it's not going to be easy, but together we can do this. Now, even though I've been in isolation for a few days because I've had a cough and that, I am going to start this as day one. This is day one of our isolation and our journey of getting through this really difficult time. Okay, I can't sing, I can't be Vera Lynn, as she used to support everyone and cheer them up. I can't sing, but I can find some things for us to do. Even if I put the camera on and you watch me tidying up my room, you might get bored of me. You might think, Chanel, we've had enough of you. I'm going to go hoover my house or something. Fine, pause me, mute me, come back to me later. I don't care. All I care is that I am here in some way. So we have this channel. You can leave comments below. I'd like to really know what you think of this, and you know, let's go through this together. You can email me in the email box below, with the email below, if you need to chat via email. If you've got WhatsApp, if you're on Facebook, we can messenger chat. You know, if you need a chat, you need a pick you up, you know, because I know I'm going to need one from time to time. I wish I knew how to do YouTube live, and I'll probably try and learn to do it if I get enough people you know, following along with this video. We'll see. I'll try and learn anyway. Charles, you're not on view today. He's there going, looking as if to say, Mom, Mum. So I'm going to find us lots of little projects to keep us busy. I need to sort out my craft room. As you can see, it is a mess. It's always a mess, isn't it, Charles? You should see this side and that side. It's a mess. So firstly, thanks for watching. I hope that you're all safe. I am sending out my love and my prayers to you all. Let's get through this together. This is day 1 for me. I know that some of you are probably on day 10, day 5, day 20. But for me, it's day 1. So I'm going to just title these videos Day 1. I want to be your support network, and I hope that you will, you know, come along and take my friendship and support if you need it. If you just want to watch me and don't say anything and don't comment, that's fine too, you know, as long as I'm, you know, kind of keeping you busy or entertaining you in one way or another. So I'm going to leave you for now, and I'm going to put a plan together for some fun things that we can do. So today, if you could just leave a comment to let me know what you think, and then from tomorrow I will find some ideas to get everybody involved, you know, see if there are things that you could suggest that you want me to do, as in crafting or something, or not plastering a wall or something, because I can't do that. Baking, not very good either, but I'm sure you could find something for me to do. I could sort out this mess and you could just watch me. We'll see. There's lots of things. I will find some fun things as well. So just leave a comment below, let me know what you think, and I will see you all tomorrow for day 2. Love and hugs to you all. See you soon. Bye.